Welcome back to this new concept of Techflora. I am Bindu Joseph from Kozhikode, Kerala. Today we will discuss about one of the most widely used tree on earth. That's none other than a coconut. This video is being uploaded as per the request of non-Keralites. Today we will discuss about WCT coconut, Kuttiyadi coconut. First we will learn what are the different advantages of Kuttiyadi coconut and planting methods. Let's get started. Kuttiyadi coconut is a member of WCT family. WCT means West Coast Tall.
Now let's see what are the advantages of Kuttiyadi coconut. First, Kuttiyadi coconut is the most suitable for commercial farming. Then Kuttiyadi coconut is highly resistant to diseases while comparing other coconut. Then the proportion of oil is higher than that of other coconut. That is other important merit. And it is softer than other coconut when we scrape coconut. Then the amount of coconut milk will be more than others. Coconut is the crop that once yielded yields for decades in a row.
Coconut tree and coconut are used for a wide variety of purposes. It is a crop grown mainly in tropical regions. The moisture, atmosphere and plenty of sunlight are essential for the growth and production of coconut. Quality seedlings are the most important element of any crop, especially for coconut. How can we identify the quality seedlings? Let us see. The early sprouting and vigorous plants. See, these all are very best quality seedlings of coconut. Plants with many roots, that is other quality. Plants with many roots. 6 to 8 leaves on first year old plant should be needed. Then 10 centimeter stem thickness needed. These all are the quality seedlings symptoms. Therefore, each and everyone have to take care while choosing the seedlings of coconut. Seedlings growth and the yield depends on the quality of the planting material. Let's see what are things to consider when choosing a place to plant coconut seedlings. It should be the area that experiences plenty amount of sunlight. The place should be well drained without stagnant water. The distance between the seedlings should be 10 meters. Then 50 seedlings can be planted in 1 acre of land. In the meantime, we can cultivate intercrops such as tapioca, banana, then turmeric, then colocasia. That type of intercrops also can be cultivated between the two coconut. Now, let us see how to plant coconut seedling. Seedlings are usually planted in the month of May-June. In waterlogged areas, it is best to plant during last September-October month. The type of pit, this is the pit. The type of pit to be dug will vary depending on the soil structure. Here, the pit should be 1:1:1 ratio. Means 1 meter length, 1 meter width and 1 meter depth. Then we have to fill a small portion of the pit with the topsoil. Then make a small hole and put the plant. Handful of crushed fenugreek we have to put into the pit. We put this fenugreek under the seedlings to avoid lice, insects, etc. Now we can fix the seedlings with the soil. Remove the wrapper. We can fix the seedlings with the soil. Better to avoid cow dung when planting seedlings because it attracts lice, ants, etc. Only 3/4 of the coconut should go underground. We have to visible the upper portion of coconut above the soil. How to fix it in a proper way. Tie a twig to keep the seedlings from falling over in the wind like this. Now the plant is safe. Next we have to make a hump like this. Make a hump to avoid rainwater fall into the pit. Make a hump in 4 sides like this. This type of a hump we have to create. Then coconut seedlings need a careful care for the first 2-3 years. Don't let water stay into the pit during monsoon season. And also the accumulated soil in the pit should be removed. The 4 sides we have to make these types of humps. In this way we can plant Kuttiyadi coconut seedlings. Watering properly. Give a shade like this during summer season. We have to protect the seedlings from the scorching sun. So this is the time to wind up the video today. In the next video we will discuss what are the fertilizer cares need to be given to the plant till harvesting. So if you like this video, please share it to your friends and relatives. This is the first time watching a video on this channel. Please subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon. So we will meet again with the new concept. Till then, bye bye.